In this lecture, we are going to talk about developing safe work practices, and this is important because if you don't have safe work practices, you will get in a trouble or accident, and accidents can result in your injury or injury of multiple persons around you. So this is important always to develop safe work practices when you are working with electricity. So the first practices is to have the right team. So the right team will always support you, will always take your back, will always provide you assistance, and also in case of emergency they will carry out you, and this is one of the most important safe work practices. The second is start with a detailed job hazard analysis and make a risk assessment and decide how to eliminate or to minimize the risks in the working area and which personal protective equipments you need to use to avoid accidents. And the third is that always test voltage before start to work and use insulated tools. You need to test voltage when you are working with equipments that are not energized, and this is just to make sure that no voltage is applied. But remember, always use insulated tools and PPEs because you never know if there is some remaining voltage in the circuit or accidentally someone closes the breaker and energizes the equipment when you are touching the live part of the circuit. So the fourth is never work in something you don't know, and this is important because we always say to our boss like, I know how to do that, and in front of our boss we know everything, but this is not correct because you can create an accident when you are working in something you don't know and you have training to work. So the next is always listen to advices and techniques. So this will develop your practices also and your capabilities, so you will work safely always when you listen to advices and techniques. And always plan because electrical unprovoked outages are expensive and you can black out a complete city or country or district. So make sure you always plan the work and all the safety you need to minimize the risks.